Today I officially fell in love with induction stoves. Went to Midland Appliances with the developers of Sapperton Living. There are a lot of myths about induction stoves, so we went to the experts to learn more.
Cheers, everybody. Thank you guys all for taking the time. When I came to Midland, I think the word that describes it the most is human. We're all human beings.
Harinder and Drew from Midland Appliances served us a delicious lunch and taught us the benefits of induction stoves.
This is your burner. So it turns the pot into your burner. Isn't that cool? Right? So that's how it's the most efficient. Every bit of energy I'm using to run this thing is going 100% into what I'm cooking. And if you guys want, you can have a look. There's already action on the bottom of this pot.
Oh, that's fast.
Okay, so we're already starting to boil. What's the worst part about cooking bacon on the top? You're not doing it in the oven. You're doing it on the top. The splatter. The grease, right? Thank you. Okay, so what if I didn't want to clean up that mess? I could do this.
Oh, seriously?
Yeah. So I could lay a towel over this whole thing and cook on here, and everything that's splattered would just go on top of that towel, and it's not going to burn the towel.
And you don't need to buy special pots.
So this is what we're looking into putting into our townhouse project at Sapperton. It's a Fisher Pickel induction range, and they have come a long way.
To learn more about these pre-sales, get in touch with me at sappertonliving.com.